Hello everyone. Have you ever wanted to build and launch your own rocket but didn't know where to start? Welcome to Kailash Cosmos. Today we are going to unbox our beginner kit AGNI, and I will show you everything inside it and explain the purpose of each component. At the end of this video, you will exactly get to know that what comes with the box and how it can help you to begin your rocket journey. AGNI is designed especially for beginner. If you are a student, an engineer or a member of science club, this kit will help you give a real-time aerospace experience. Plus, while remaining present, you can easily assemble it and fly. Instead of buying every component separately, we designed this kit. In this kit, you will be getting everything and it will be very easy to assemble and also very easy to launch. At first, we have the main rocket airframe. This forms the main part of our rocket. It's lightweight, it's strong and durable for multiple tests. Next is the nose cone. The nose cone is basically used for aerodynamics of the rocket, like it provides the rocket best aerodynamic, but it also reduces the drag of the flight, and also in the nose cone we will be putting the recovery system. It fits securely in the body tube for easy preparation before launch. These are known as fins. Fins are most important part of any rocket. Fins are used to stabilize the rocket during the flight. During the assembly, you need to align them straightly so it can fly better. Next is a motor mount. Inside the rocket, we will be using motor mount assembly. Basically, motor mount assembly securely holds the motor at the position while transferring the thrust safely in the air tube. One of the most essential part of the rocket, the recovery system. Basically, when the rocket reaches its peak altitude, this parachute deploys and brings the rocket back to the ground. It allows the rocket to be reused again and again. This is shock code. It connects the nose cone to the rocket body. Basically, when parachute deploys, it absorbs the sudden pull and protects the rocket. This is launch lug. It looks so small, but it plays an important role in the rocket. Basically, it guides the rocket during the flight, and this is the final assembled rocket AGNI. It's lightweight, it's aerodynamically stable, and it's ready to launch. This was everything included in our Kailash Cosmos AGNI kit. So if you are looking to begin the rocket journey or you are looking for practical solutions, the AGNI kit is basically developed for that purpose. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.